What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Making some more progress on the Miata in this video. Gonna be taking some more stuff apart for paint. Gonna be working on the doors a little bit, and I'm also gonna go ahead and show you some of the parts that I have already painted for the car. Get you a little sneak preview of that. So currently I have the rear bumper, hood, headlight covers, and mirrors painted. And I've got to say, I am super excited with how these parts have come out. Alright, so since I'm going to be painting jams and everything on my car, I need the doors off so I can get to the back side of them as well as get in the door jamb here. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the door completely apart as well as any little things in the jamb. I'm going to be finishing up the bodywork on the Miata, getting everything primed and going from there. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So far we have both fenders, both doors, and this driver's quarter panel primed. All that's left, strip off the remaining paint on this passenger side quarter panel, because I don't know if I've mentioned it here or not yet, but this car has been painted like 3 times. There's just way too much material on here. I don't want to paint over it, so I'm stripping all this off, and then we'll fix any little dents or anything that's in it, and then get it primed. Alright, so we are really close. That pretty much gets us up to date here. The entire body is primed, both fenders, both doors, both quarters, and rocker panels. I actually have one of the fenders painted already, so at this point I can go ahead and pull all the panels off. So trunk, finish panel, doors, fenders, and I'm going to paint all these parts off the car since I'm going to be doing both sides of them. I'm going to be doing both sides of the doors and the door jambs on the car, so just want to make sure everything is painted apart so that way we can access both sides and get fresh paint on everything. That way when you open the doors, everything is still looking beautiful in the jambs as well. So at this point, like I said, I'll get the rest of these panels off and then paint these panels off the car, and then I'm going to trailer the car up to the shop and paint the body. So I will definitely be filming that entire painting process, so look forward to that video coming in the next few weeks when I get that done. So just have a few more little things to take care of before I can actually do that. I'm going to shave the hole in the right quarter panel for where the antenna comes through. I haven't had an antenna on this car for years. I think it looks better without it, and I've just been running like the little rubber wiper plug to plug that hole, but now since I'm painting the car and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and weld a piece of metal in there to fill that hole and fully shave that. That way both the quarters are smooth, no holes in them. I also want to replace the windshield since mine is just pitted with chips, and it also is an aftermarket windshield that has like that blue tint strip across the top. I want to replace it with one that's just full clear, no tint strip, and it'll also help me to have the glass, the windshield out of it when I paint it. That way I can fully strip this windshield post here and make sure everything behind there is prepped nice and neat. So I'm going to shave that hole for the antenna in the quarter, get this windshield out, finish stripping the last remaining bit of red on that windshield post, get it primed, and then we can go ahead and paint it. And from there it should go really quick. Slap this thing back together. Also, this past weekend I picked up the new front bumper for this car. I'm not going to be running the stock one anymore. Mine had the wave across the top of it really bad, and I'd been wanting a different front bumper for a while now, and I secured that, and I'm going to keep that a surprise for now. Since you guys already know the car is going back red, I got to keep one thing a secret. But anyways, that is going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. But as always, thank you for watching. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.